Last Democratic debate, there was this astonishing, at least I thought it was astonishing, attack from Tulsi Gabbard on your record. She talked about 1,500 marijuana convictions while you were AG, that you blocked evidence that would have gotten Kevin Cooper off death row, that you encouraged prison labor for wildfires, and it wanted to extend the prisoners' sentences. And in 2004, you pushed to increase cash bail. What do you say to those attacks? You looked like, okay, I don't even have time to deal with all this. You have a little bit more time.
But it was extraordinary because actually, and you know what, I don't even need to respond. I will, of course, but there have been independent reviews of what she said that across the board found inaccuracies, if not flat out lies.
Well, the folks who are still tweeting about it might need to know what the facts are. So from your vantage point.
Yeah, I mean, we can listen. First of all, there is no question that I have spent my entire career focusing on reforming the criminal justice system. When you're talking about the marijuana cases, as Attorney General, I didn't prosecute marijuana cases. I didn't prosecute any cases. The DAs did. So that's just a flat out lie. We didn't prosecute marijuana cases. I was running the California Department of Justice. I was taking on the 5 big banks of the United States, bringing $20 billion back to the homeowners of California. I was taking on pharmaceutical companies and big oil companies and prosecuting them when everybody else was shuddering in their boots about these powerful special interests. In the Kevin Cooper case, when I found out what was going on there, I made a demand and a request and a demand that there be DNA testing. When I found out about that case, because I have always been about saying that we need to test DNA. Let me tell you, when I became Attorney General of California, there was this extensive backlog of rape kits that everybody said, oh, there's nothing we can do about it. I got rid of that backlog in 1 year. Because I have always been about saying we need the science to prove innocence or guilt, but it has to be a priority. So, it was obviously a political attack. It was meant to, distort my record because this is somebody who was running against me.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to another edition of On One with Angela Rye Masterclass. I hope that you learned some, you laughed some, and you were inspired more. And you want to know how you can do that even more? You just have to subscribe. Go to youtube.com/Angela Rye and hit subscribe. We want you to be the first to know about upcoming episodes. If there's something you want to see, if there's something you really love, or if you hated it, put that in the comments below. I hope you go easy on the hate. I'm a little sensitive.